In today's economy, there are more coding jobs than there are qualified candidates. This means that there is a high demand for people with coding skills. If you're able to learn to code, you'll be in a good position to find a job in a growing field. Learning to code is not easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But if you're willing to put in the effort, it can be a very rewarding experience. In this video, we'll show you hard truths about learning to code. These are the things that you need to know before you start, so that you can be prepared for the challenges ahead. Number 1. Coding misconceptions. In today's tech-centric world, the misconception that everyone must learn to code has gained traction. Coding is often likened to a contemporary literacy, a skill as indispensable as reading and writing. Yet the notion that not acquiring coding skills will render one obsolete is unfounded. This fear-based concept is often exploited by individuals employing sales tactics, as evidenced by the author's use of such strategies to garner subscribers for their YouTube channel. While coding undoubtedly holds value in our digital landscape, the hyperbole of its indispensability raises skepticism. The intricate art of coding, while relevant in many fields, may not be an absolute necessity for all. In our pursuit of knowledge and skill acquisition, it is imperative to sift through sensational claims and focus on practicality. Understanding the genuine relevance of coding, its applications, and the extent to which it aligns with individual goals is essential. In this landscape of information, discernment and thoughtful consideration prevail over blanket assertions of the imperative need to code. Number 2. Practical techniques for learning to code. Mastering coding is an acquired skill that entails a dynamic learning journey. In the realm of software engineering, where evolution is constant, adaptability and continuous learning are pivotal. The author's narrative reflects the beginning of their coding expedition, showcasing that everyone starts somewhere. In the realm of coding, diligent effort takes precedence over innate talent. While some possess an intuitive knack, sustained hard work prevails as the true catalyst for success. The notion that mastery hinges more on relentless commitment and dedication resonates deeply. As the realm of programming expands and diversifies, aspiring coders are encouraged to embrace the challenge of perpetual growth. The journey to proficiency in coding is an exercise in patience and persistence. Acknowledging that even seasoned engineers consistently grapple with novel concepts reinforces the notion that learning is a lifelong endeavor. Whether starting from scratch or refining existing skills, the path to coding excellence is marked by unwavering dedication, a testament to the potency of commitment and the effort in cultivating technical prowess. Number 3. The learning process. Embarking on the journey of learning coding mirrors the experience of mastering a musical instrument. Just as aspiring musicians initially produce discordant notes, novice coders grapple with perplexing lines of code. This analogy underscores the universality of the learning process and the expectation of gradual advancement. The initial struggle encountered in both fields is a rite of passage, a testament to the intricate nature of the crafts. Much like how a musician's progress oscillates between harmony and discord, coders navigate through cycles of success and challenge. This pattern highlights that plateauing and resurgence are natural components of skill acquisition. Learning, whether musical or coding, often involves discomfort and frustration. The path to proficiency demands pushing through these barriers. Recognizing pain as a necessary companion to growth reframes obstacles as stepping stones to expertise. Just as muscles grow stronger through resistance, the cognitive discomfort encountered while learning fortifies cognitive faculties. In the symphony of skill development, embracing the transient plan is essential for the crescendo of mastery. Enduring the discomfort paves the way for a harmonious fusion of knowledge and competence, resonating with the tenet that genuine growth sprouts from the soil of challenge. Number 4. Choosing a programming language. Amid the vast expanse of programming languages, the choice of where to begin is of lesser significance than often perceived. The initial selection of language serves as a mere vessel for the broader goal, becoming an adept problem solver. While languages differ in syntax and nuances, the overarching skill of effectively tackling challenges takes precedence. Gaining proficiency in programming hinges on grasping programming patterns, transcending the intricacies of syntax. Focusing on comprehending the fundamental structures that underpin code construction offers versatility across languages. This foundational knowledge is a cornerstone, facilitating seamless transition between different languages. In the arena of technical interviews, the ability to solve problems supersedes specific language knowledge. Recruiters value candidates who exhibit strong analytical prowess, adaptable thinking, and creative solutions. Demonstrating the capacity to dissect complex issues and devise innovative approaches is the hallmark of a proficient programmer. Ultimately, the programming language is but a vessel for honing the ability to decode and solve challenges. Equipping oneself with problem-solving acumen lays the groundwork for success across the diverse landscape of coding languages and interview scenarios. Number 5. Becoming a good problem solver. At the heart of mastering coding lies the art of problem solving, an indispensable skill that fuels effective learning. Problem solving is not merely a theoretical exercise, but thrives in the realm of active coding. Rather than passively observing tutorials, practical engagement with coding challenges and projects is essential. Constructing tangible projects, participating in coding challenges, and immersing oneself in hackathons fosters experiential learning. These endeavors simulate real-world scenarios, demanding the application of acquired skills in creative ways. Through this hands-on approach, problem-solving skills flourish and technical dexterity deepens. Consistency is the bedrock of progress in coding. Cultivating a daily coding practice habituates problem-solving and fortifies knowledge retention. The incremental growth achieved through daily engagement accumulates over time, eventually leading to a remarkable proficiency. In the dynamic landscape of coding, becoming a proficient problem solver is an iterative process. Active participation, constant practice, and real-world application serve as the compass to navigate this journey. Through these intentional steps, the aspiring coder transforms into a skilled practitioner, adept at unraveling intricate challenges. Number 6. Health and learning. Amid the pursuit of coding prowess, the sanctity of mental and physical well-being stands as a cornerstone. Safeguarding these facets is imperative for sustained and effective learning. Striking a harmonious equilibrium between coding endeavors and self-care rituals, including regular exercise, ample exposure to sunlight, and nourishing nutrition, is paramount. The symbiotic relationship between health and learning is undeniable. Engaging in physical activities not only invigorates the body, but also rejuvenates the mind, fostering enhanced cognitive performance. Sunlight, a natural mood enhancer, bolsters mental resilience, while nutritious intake fuels sustained energy levels necessary for intense coding sessions. Optimal health serves as a fertile ground for efficient learning, permitting the absorption and application of coding concepts with acuity. The mind flourishes in an environment unburdened by stress, fortified by physical vitality, and nourished by wholesome practices. Acknowledging that coding mastery is a journey rather than a sprint underscores the imperative of preserving well-being throughout this odyssey. In nurturing health, the aspiring coder crafts an ideal foundation upon which to construct a thriving learning trajectory. If this video helps you from any point, then be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.